Good evening, guys. Welcome to my vlog. So here we are at Talegaon, which is nearby, which is a region in Pune, and this is a lake. So here there is a greenery. Fishing is going on. Some people are catching the fishes, and there are stones, and a lot of people have come here to spend their weekend. And now that was about this area. Weather is really cool here. I can see the dragonfly are flying. The cool air breeze, little waves in the water, and a lot of trees, which creates a very serene, calm view, which is enough to make smile on your face and relieve your stress. As we can see, now I will pause it for a while till I go to that side. So finally we are on this side now, and crows are here. As you can see, there is a bridge and there is a beautiful view of the waterfall. I will try to capture it, and as you can see at the end there is a temple, and so yeah, this was pretty good day as we had come out for this trip. We also had our lunch today here. As I walk, I have to look down. As you can see, the road isn't straight, or we can say I need to take care of it or else I may fall. This area is just behind the Dehu Military Park, which is a good place for a weekend. As you can see, a lot of people are here, and this is a good view. Spending time in nature connects us with it, as well as it's a great way to uh, revisit to our roots. Also, spending time in nature revitalizes the mind and makes us feel better. So guys, once in a month or once in a week, it's good idea to get back in touch with nature. That's all for this vlog. See you in the next one. Bye bye.